Ever connected to a mall free Wi-Fi but no internet? You see connected but nothing loads. Yeah, super frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you the instant fix in just 10 seconds. Let's go. First, open your browser and type 1.1.1.1. This forces the Wi-Fi login page to appear. It redirects you to the mall's official website where you need to enter your email or any someplace might ask for a phone number. Once you do that, boom, free internet unlocked. No need to guess why it wasn't working before. Okay. Now, why does this happen? Even though your device says connected, the mall's Wi-Fi is actually blocking the internet access until you complete their captive portal login. Normally, your phone should detect this and open the login page automatically, but if it doesn't, manually entering 1.1.1 triggers the portal and forces it to appear. If this doesn't work, try alternative address like this. And this often leads to the same result. If this works, hit the like button so more people can see this fix. Comment if your mall has a different Wi-Fi setup. I'll help you to roll out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this.